Let's show you how to make a great shepherd's pie. We need some minced lamb, some carrots, some potatoes, an onion, dash of Worcester sauce, a little bit of milk, some butter, some oil, some tomato puree and some beef stock. Okay Jane, can you tell us what we need to make this dish?
We need a large saucepan, a mixing spoon, a measuring spoon, chopping knife, an oven-proof dish if you're making individual ones, and a chopping board.
Okay, let's get started. You chop your carrots and I'll chop the onion. And if we just dice our potatoes up, ready to go in the pan. Remember to keep your fingers out of the way. That's all our prep done. So the first step to do while we're on the hob is to soften the carrots and the onions. We're going to do this by adding a splash of oil to your pan and adding your carrots first, as they'll take longer to soften. I'm just going to keep moving them around so they don't stick to the bottom. Now they're nice and soft, we're going to add our onion. Soften those up. And we're nearly ready for the mince. So now the onions and the carrots is nice and soft, we're going to add our minced lamb. If you didn't like lamb, you could use minced beef. And we're going to put all that down so it's nice and even across the pan. We're going to cook that till it's browned up. Which should take 2 to 3 minutes. So now our mince is nice and browned off, we're going to add a tablespoon of tomato puree and a good splash of Worcester sauce. Stir that in. Then we're going to finish it off with our beef stock. That's it. All of the ingredients is now in your pan, and you're going to leave that to simmer till most of the liquid's gone. Turn that down a bit just to simmer away.
I've just put some of the cooled mince shepherd's pie mixed in the oven-proof dish. Make sure it's cooled while the mashed potatoes is getting done behind me.
So the last stage is to get your mashed potatoes. And you spoon it onto the top. flattening it down. Making sure to fill the full top of the oven proof dish. Roughing it up, ready for the oven. Shepherd's pie. So our shepherd's pies take about 20 minutes to cook in the oven. So let's get this one out. There we go, delicious homemade shepherd's pie, which you could serve with mixed vegetables and some gravy.